Guys, it's your boy KsaJamaly back with another video. In this video we are going to fix RX 574 GB card, which is giving a boot error in the debug section of the motherboard. And when we connect this card to the motherboard, it only gives a black screen, nothing else, no display, nothing, only black screen available. So this is a this card is showing an error of memory. So I'm testing the memory of it and show you which memory bank are faulty. Before continuing this repair video, I just wanted to share this, that we also accept tickets regarding graphic card repair. The repairing start from 300 onwards. So if you have any queries about repairing your graphic card, link is in the description. You can contact us from there. So I've power on the card and run the memory test. So it's failing there, and let's see which memory banks are failing. Okay, the report has not been came yet. Oh, sorry, wrong command. This is a command for it, and we are seeing an error in A0 and A1 bank. Both the bank are faulty. So I will remove that bank and show you the video. Clean the motherboard and this is the A1 and A0 chip. These two chips are showing faulty. So I will remove this chip and diagnose the card further. The chips and checked it singly, and chip was good. Shit, I've dropped this chip, but there will be no issue. So I've checked this chip and this another chip. No issue were found in the chip, the main chip, but I found an issue on the PCB. So this section PCB is alright, okay, but in AMD the memory works as a pair. If one of the pair, if suppose A1 is faulty, then both the pairs A0 and A1 will show us this faulty. So this is A0 pair. So this chip was good and the PCB was also good, but at A1 PCB layout I found some pads were ripped off and missing. Because of that, the main chip, this memory chip was not being recognized, and the chip is okay, is in good condition, but the PCB is damaged. I will show you under the microscope, and we will fix the missing pads. Okay. So guys, this is a microscopic view. You can see that this pad is perfectly fine. There are no missing points, but the another pad, this one, we can see two pads are missing here. This one and that one. So I will zoom it there, and by zooming I can see that one of the pin is a ground and one is a data line pin. So I will show you which one is ground. This is a ground pin, and the another one is this is a ground pin, and this one is a data line pin. So we need to repair this pin out. have this 2 VRAM, so we have to reball it, and after reballing we will install it to the RX 570 card. So so let's reball this and move the video further. Guys, I've reballed both the chips, and we have repaired this PCB also. It was damaged. Now we will install it and check the card if it's giving a display or not. So now the whole process it is about that the GPU is detecting both the chips or not. So let's do, and let's see, and if this card succeed, then only I will upload. If not, then it will be this video. Then also I think so I will publish it. We can learn so much about this that we can repair this PCB also. Most of the people doesn't do it, but from KsaJamaly team we can also this kind of code. So if you have any queries regarding your graphic card repairs or want to submit your card for repairing, link is under the description. You can contact us from that. So let's install this chip and hope for the best. So first we will apply some flux here and spread it evenly. You can use your hand if you want. So after spreading it equally, use my hand for this. So after spreading it equally at both the sides, then we will align the chip. This is a chip that we reballed, and I will align it perfectly. I will pause the video. I will show after completing. I will show you this because this step is very much crucial. If the chip is misaligned and we reballed it full, everything of us, from cleaning the board to reballing this chip to reinstalling, everything will be waste. So let me align it perfectly, and after that I will continue the video. So guys, we have successfully installed one chip, and let's check if there is shorting here or not. At ohms mode, okay, there is no shorting, and this chip has been successfully installed. So you can see that the ohms are also getting higher and higher as this GPU core gets cold. The ohms also get increased. So this is a good sign. This chip which had a PCB damage has been perfectly aligned. Cannot show you with the camera, but all the balls that are underneath has been perfectly aligned. So we will move on to the second chip, and after that I will power on the card and hope that it will give a display. So guys, let's power on this card and hope for the best. I've hooked up with the motherboard, and let's check. First let's check the memory is not heating. Okay, not heating at all. Okay, the GPU is on. We got a beep sign, and that's a good. The memory is the GPU is heating, and we got a signal. It's coming from HDMI. If I remove it, the signal is also gone. Okay, that's good. I think so we have successfully repaired this, and I will assemble this card and do a memory test once again. But this card I think so has been repaired. If there was a issue with the memory, there would be no display. First we were getting, when we were booting this card first time before repairing, it would give us a black screen, but now it is showing us a display, so that's a good sign. So let's assemble this card and do the rest testing. Guys, I've assembled the card and it's giving a display from HDMI port. If I remove this port, if I remove this, the display has been gone. So let's do a memory test, and in this card I think I'm pretty much sure that it will pass the memory test. So let's do, and then after that we will do a benchmark. Doing a memory test, and the test is going on. So I will show you the result after the test has been finished. So guys, the test has been finished, and from the it showed us the past test. And first we were getting A0 and A1 error. Now the errors has been cleared and the card passed the memory test. Now we will do a benchmark and end this video. Guys, this card is power on, and display is taken by the HDMI port, and drivers are also successfully installed. RX 570 4GB card it was. Let's stress test this card, and it will pass the test. There was no error in the GPU, so this is also working perfectly, and we have repaired this card successfully. The fan will also work. Okay, they started working. So let's last bullet points. What were the defect in this card? When we connect this card to the motherboard, it shows us a black screen, no display, nothing at all. So we did a memory test and we found that two memory banks were faulty, A0 and A1. So we removed it for checking the memory banks, and we found that the memory banks plus the PCB of this card was broken. The PCB pads were the main memory PCB pads were broken. So we fixed that PCB pads, fixed the trace, rebought the memory bank, put a new memory bank in it, and this is the process that we have done. So if you want to repair your graphic card, link is in the description. You can contact us from that. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe my YouTube channel, and when you comment and like and subscribe my YouTube channel, it keeps me motivated and push me harder to make new videos. Thank you.